7 Rules of Money. How to be good with your money. Becoming rich is a goal that many people aspire to achieve. However, the journey to wealth is not an easy one, and it takes more than just hard work and determination. To succeed in the game of money, you must know the rules, and the better you understand and use the rules in your favor, the faster you will become ridiculously wealthy. In this video, we will discuss the 7 rules of money that you need to know to become financially successful. We will also share a story of a man named Jeff who learned these rules and used them to quit his 9-to-5 job and fulfill his dreams of becoming a world traveler. Welcome to Joseph Leppert Finance, the channel where you can learn all about personal finance, investing, and wealth building. Do you want to learn how to make your money work for you? Then you're in the right place. I've spent years studying finance and I'm here to share everything I've learned with you. So, if you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button for more types of videos like these and ring the notification bell so you won't miss one. Let's get right into the video. Rule number 1. Pay yourself first. Many people intend to save, but they never get around to it. Unexpected expenses arise, and without knowing how much you want to save, you will never know how much you can spend. More than 60% of Americans don't employ any form of budgeting, which hampers their ability to save. The lack of financial oversight, combined with low wages, is a reason that more than 3/4 of all workers in the US live paycheck to paycheck, leaving the little chance for savings. The solution is to pay yourself first. The 20-30-50 method works as follows. Every month, divide your income into the following way. 50% is designated to your living expense like rent, utilities, and groceries. The next 30% goes towards entertainment costs like going out to eat or seeing a movie. The final 20% is meant to go right into your savings account. Allocating part of your income before the month starts helps you get an idea of how much you can save. But some months, you may dip into that amount and end up saving less than you intended. The solution is to set up an automated deduction. Every 2 weeks, part of your paycheck is sent directly into a savings account, instead of the full amount going right into a checking account. Routing money into an account that you can access ensures you don't spend the money allocated to savings. Rule number 2. Live below your means. The second rule of money is to live below your means. Living below your means means that you spend less than you earn. It's a simple concept, but it is one that many people struggle with. Living below your means requires discipline and a willingness to make sacrifices in the short term to achieve long-term goals. Living below your means does not mean that you have to give up everything you enjoy. It means that you need to prioritize your spending and focus on the things that are most important to you. It also means that you need to avoid lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation is a tendency to spend more money as your income increases. Instead, use any increase in income to increase your savings and investments. Rule number 3. Invest in yourself. The third rule of money is to invest in yourself. Investing in yourself means that you are taking steps to improve your knowledge, skills, and abilities. It means that you are willing to make a long-term investment in yourself, even if it means making short-term sacrifices. Investing in yourself can take many forms. It can mean going back to school to learn new skill or trade. It can mean taking courses to improve your knowledge in your current field. It can also mean attending conferences or networking events to expand your professional network. But before we move on, please comment below if you can relate to the video. And if you find this video helpful and interesting, please consider liking the video and share it to your loved ones and friends. Back to the video. Rule number 4. Saving will never make you rich. While Steve appeared to be a big proponent of saving money, he then admitted to Jeff that saving money is not enough to become rich. Steve explains that the problem with saving money is that it doesn't grow. The typical savings account only pays 0.09 interest. That means that even if you have $100,000 in your savings account, you would get back only $90 in return in 1 year's time. And after you net that return against inflation of 2%, you would actually have lost the money. Steve then stressed the importance of investing. He explained that he was lucky to learn just how powerful compound interest was at an early age, and from age 18 to 40, when he retired, he invested $250 a week every single week. During that 22-year span, he received an average return of 10%, which at age 40 left him with over $1 million, of which $750,000 was compound interest that he had earned. In fact, it is the same lump sum of money that Steve continues to live off many years later. But this is only possible because of his wise spending ways. Rule number 5. Surround yourself with successful people. Steve told Jeff that one of the best ways to learn about money and success is to surround yourself with successful people. He explained that successful people can inspire you, provide you with advice and guidance, and help you make important connections. Steve suggested that Jeff join networking groups or attend events where he could meet successful people in his industry. He also recommended that Jeff try to connect with successful people through social media or LinkedIn. Jeff took Steve's advice and started attending networking events in his industry. He met several successful people who inspired him and provided him with valuable advice and guidance. He also connected with several successful people on LinkedIn and started following them on social media. Rule number 6. Take calculated risks. Steve told Jeff that taking calculated risk is an important part of becoming rich. He explained that successful people are not afraid to take risks, but they also do not take reckless risks. Instead, they take calculated risks by doing their research, weighing the potential rewards against potential risks, and making informed decisions. Steve advised Jeff to think about the risks he was willing to take to achieve his goals. He suggested that Jeff start small by investing a small amount of money in stocks or real estate, and then gradually increase his investments as he becomes more comfortable with the risk involved. Jeff was initially hesitant about taking risks, but he realized that he would never become rich if he did not take some risks. He started by investing a small amount of money in stocks, and he was pleased to see that his investments were growing. He gradually increased his investments and started investing in real estate as well. Rule number 7. Don't give up. Steve told Jeff that the most important rule of money is to never give up. He explained that becoming rich is not easy, and there will be obstacles and setbacks along the way. However, successful people do not give up when faced with challenges. Instead, they persevere and keep working towards their goals. Steve told Jeff about the challenges he faced when he first started investing in stocks and real estate. He said that he made several mistakes and lost money, but he did not give up. Instead, he learned from his mistakes and kept working towards his goal of becoming financially independent. Steve advised Jeff to adopt a similar attitude and never give up on his dreams of becoming rich. He encouraged Jeff to learn from his mistakes and to keep working towards his goals, even where things are tough. Thank you for watching Joseph Leopard Finance, your go-to channel for all things personal finance, investing, and wealth building. I hope you found value in today's video and that it inspires you to take action toward your financial goals. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like these. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Join our community by leaving a comment below and let us know what financial topics you'd like us to cover next. Remember, financial freedom is possible for anyone, and we're here to help and make it happen. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.